Are you looking for the best hidden cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best hidden cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Webulls Hidden Camera. If you are looking for a hidden camera for your home or office, then this one Webulls is an excellent choice. It's a wireless camera that also connects with Wi-Fi, both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. The camera with 1080p video capturing quality has sound detection capabilities which will send you a push notification when it detects a sound over 50 decibels. With Webulls, you can manually set the sensor sensitivity of the motion detection system. It will send you an instant notification with an image of what's happening in your home or office. They have a dedicated app for viewing all the details. All you need to do is download the app and start the operation. Even more, it can capture images in complete darkness. We must say the night vision is excellent for the price you pay. Setting up the camera only takes a few minutes. No wiring is required. Install the camera where you like it, download the app, and connect it to the Wi-Fi, and you are all set. Number 2. Obcam Hidden Camera. Obcam specializes in making high-quality and inexpensive micro-home security cameras. The Obcam Spiacam is supposedly one of the tiniest home security cameras that measures only 1.3 inches in length. The wireless camera can be connected to home Wi-Fi. It's best as a home security surveillance camera. It captures videos in 1080p and features excellent quality night vision. It has got 6 LED infrared lights that can view up to 20 feet in complete darkness. The Obcam Mini Spy camera has built-in motion detection technology that captures pictures of the moving object whenever a motion is detected, and instantly sends a push message to your mobile phone, so you can keep an eye on your home surveillance system 24/7, even when you are 1,000 miles away. It has been designed with an automatic focusing technology. It ensures accurate focal length and minimizes defocusing, resulting in excellent picture quality. We are really pleased with the battery performance of this small little champ. The Obcam Hidden Camera is equipped with a 1500 mAh battery for 6 hours. Number 3. Divine Hidden Camera. Divine Spy Camera is the best option for quiet and high-quality surveillance, giving you a sense of security. This unique camera records clear videos with a wide view, making sure to catch all the details. Whether you want to keep an eye on your home, office, or anywhere else, it is best at staying hidden while working well. This camera is smart. It starts recording when it senses movement, which is perfect for security and keeping an eye on things. The camera can save up to 96 hours of video on a big 256 GB memory card. So, you won't miss anything important. To keep your recordings safe and secret, the camera has a hidden memory card slot. You can get your videos with a special USB cable. It makes it simple to manage and watch your recordings. Number 4. Ptz Hidden Camera. The Ptz Hidden Camera is another popular choice as it has amazing ratings on Amazon. The 1080p camera is fitted in a tiny body that connects wirelessly to your home Wi-Fi system. It delivers high-definition live footage with a wide viewing angle of 150 degrees. It produces clear pictures even in low light conditions. Equipped with 6 strong infrared lights, it captures detailed video recordings even in the dark and sends a push message with a snapshot whenever a motion is detected. The camera connects seamlessly with home Wi-Fi systems but supports only 2.4 GHz. The camera supports multiple users, and the app supports multiple users simultaneously. It even comes with hotspot support. So, even when the Wi-Fi is down, you can connect the camera to your mobile hotspot and watch live videos from a short distance. This small little champ sets up in a few minutes and has a dedicated app. All you have to do is connect it to the Wi-Fi and then to the app. Number 5. Alphatech Hidden Camera. USB charger is one of the most popular disguises for a hidden camera. This spy camera from Alphatech is wireless, and it easily connects to your home Wi-Fi system. It features 1080p visuals and up to 120 degrees of viewing angle. You must plug your hidden spy camera into an outlet and download their dedicated app, SMTAV AI Smart from the store. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. It has motion detection sensors that will send you real-time messages as it detects a motion. The night vision is also great, according to its users. Also, it has an SD card slot that can hold videos for 25 days. It doesn't have an inbuilt battery, so it must always be connected to an outlet. However, it's incredibly easy to set up and takes only a few minutes. Number 6. Jame Hidden Camera. The Jame Hidden Camera doubles up as a wall charger. If you are looking for a covered camera as a disguise, then it's a good choice. It records videos in 1080p. It's a great option to discreetly monitor your home and office. It has built-in Wi-Fi that easily connects to your home Wi-Fi system. All you have to do is download their dedicated app, which is Obcam, from the App Store and connect it to the Wi-Fi, and you are all set. Their app allows you to watch real-time footage from anywhere without anyone noticing. You can also use it as an Anycam, as it records audio as well. It features two-way audio so you can have a conversation with the other person sitting opposite the camera. It also has motion detection technology and low-light vision that records videos in dimly lit conditions. The only drawback of this camera is the viewing angle. We wish it had a larger field of view. Other than this, it's a great option to choose as your home surveillance system.